Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2010 INFINITI M35X. So this was the Q70 before the Q70, powered by a 3.5 liter V6. This one is going to auction, not available for sale, but judging by the success of some previous auction vehicles that I've reviewed, I'm going to go ahead and review this one because it's actually pretty darn clean. Memory seats. This thing is in great shape. Cooling seats, which work. Well, the tires is a little low, but that's fine. Where's the temperature? A little bit cold in here. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Runs and drives well. So we're in drive, there's drive sport, manual, but we'll go in normal drive. You do have navigation, which is pretty darn cool. Bose sound system. This one came in on trade, I forget on what. I think a Q50. So much power. Such a torquey powertrain. Come on, transmission. You're okay. There you go. What's the horn sound like? Not bad. Definitely got some minor flat spots. It's been sitting for about a week before filming this, so. Oh, the brakes. Oh, pulsating. Honestly, I'm a huge fan of the Q70, so obviously inherently I'm going to be a fan of this. It's just cool. I wish we made something like this today, but we don't. We need a full-size sedan. This one's got 131,000 miles, so lower mileage for a 2010, that's for sure. 1, 2, 3, green light, please, and green, and there we go. You can tell this thing runs and drives very well. For the age, for the mileage, it's kind of a shame that this has to go to the auction, but it's just not a retailable car for us. whoever is at the auction buying this is definitely going to get a gem. This thing's going to clean up even better than it is right now. $7,500 RPM, no matter what car you're in, sounds awesome. Man, I'm gonna miss this era of automobiles. I'm going to miss the high revving NA V6 cars. I'm gonna miss it. I am. These torquey NA V6 that rev to 7,500 RPM in a full-size sedan. Why? I know why we can't do it, but why are we putting turbo 4 cylinders in cars like this? Why? This has character. This is cool. This is a car that I drive and I know I'm in something special. It's just such a cool experience. You know, this was back when Infiniti was making some really fun look at the G35 Coupe. And what was that, 03, 04? Everybody wanted it. In fact, I still want one. I want a clean G35 Coupe manual. Still want one. Oh, my cooled seat's on. That's probably why I'm cold. It's just, this was cool. This was that era where we made some pretty darn cool cars. And while we still, you know, the Red Sport is still an awesome car, it doesn't have the character this M35 did. And I feel like every manufacturer's drifting away from having character. And instead, it's just, all right, who can bring the best features and look the most aggressive? We're in a different time frame. The 2000 to 2010 range, that was some of my favorite cars. The advertisements were killer, and they just were cool. They were trying to be unique, and that made them cool. So it's kind of sad to realize this was the end of an era. This is when things were starting to change. But you can find these cars out there. I mean, this one's going to be sent to an auction, so it may end up at a lot near you. But this was an era that it's just not like it was. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.